What's up? So day 2, this is the second day of the Tacoma build for the TRD Pro. So I think we have a few things planned today. We got the fog light bezels from Servco Windward. So we're gonna put in the Baja Design fog lights today. I think we may mount up the Cali Rays ditch light brackets and possibly put in the ditch lights. I'm not sure if he wants to do that yet or not. But I think today we are planning to do the Prinsu Rack. I think that's going to be taking up most of our time today, but we're going to want to probably get that started early on, just so it's kind of like cool right now. It's early in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock right now, so a little bit cold today. It was a little bit rainy, so luckily we have this covered area so we can work on the truck. So first we're taking off this tailgate backing so that we can install the power tailgate. So I am just taking all of these screws off. Okay, we just plugged everything in. Oh! Try to unlock it. It's pretty easy to do. It's basically a plug-and-play kit. Just gonna put the zip ties on, and then we're gonna route the cable underneath by the frame. And this foil section here is just to keep it from melting when it's close to the exhaust, but we're going to try to keep it as far away as possible. So these Rigid Industries fog lights coming off. One of the Baja Design ones. Alright, fog lights and bezels installed. Looks so much better than those stock ones. Dang, I love how that Pro lights up. The TRD Pro lights up. Look at those fogs, those are so sick. I feel like such a nerd. Nerding out about lights. Looks good though. To bring it. Perfect. How's this? Prinsu. What is this, aluminum? Fun times. Just gotta take all this foam off. Foam tape from the weather stripping, so we can prep the rack over there. Rack, man, that looks so sick. The truck is looking better and better. Baja Design fog lights. The Prinsu rack is on. This is only a 1 day of ownership. And it's like pretty modded. I think we're just waiting for the add leaf in the rear and then we can get this thing lifted. So pretty dope. We gotta change those out. Those look super ugly. Ugh. Yeah, this thing looks crazy nice.